OTOFIX D1 Lite revealed. Fast, all-system scans mechanics swear by. Feeling stuck staring at a check engine light that refuses to explain itself? Share your thoughts if this hits home. It's infuriating when basic code readers just spit out cryptic numbers without context, leaving you guessing and wasting precious hours. If tracing hidden faults feels like chasing shadows, this tool might just turn that frustration into clarity. Picture a busy repair shop or your garage, juggling multiple cars with mysterious system malfunctions while stress builds up. The uncertainty, repeated tests, and incorrect assumptions drain energy and patience. Imagine being able to take control of any vehicle issue confidently, conducting precise diagnostics, and performing component tests efficiently without adding complexity or anxiety to your workflow. The OTOFIX D1 Lite is a professional automotive diagnostic tool designed to transform how technicians and advanced DIYers approach vehicle troubleshooting. It provides all system diagnostics including engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, body control modules, and more. With bidirectional control, you can actively test actuators, cycle ABS solenoids, operate fuel pumps, and manipulate window motors, pinpointing the real problem instantly. The FCA SGW bypass module unlocks secure access to modern Fiat Chrysler vehicles, while CAN FD and DoIP protocol support future-proofs your workflow for high-speed network systems. Its 7-inch touchscreen, integrated physical keyboard, and wireless Bluetooth connectivity combine speed with ease of use, while 2 years of free software updates ensure compatibility with new car models. Additional features include live data streaming in text, graph, and analog formats, comprehensive service functions like oil reset, EPB reset, SCS reset, BMS reset, VIN auto recognition, cloud-based report sharing, and multilingual menus. One technician shared how using the D1 Lite reduced ABS fault diagnostics from hours to minutes. Pro tip: using the live data graphing can expose intermittent faults that ordinary scanners completely miss. The OTOFIX D1 Lite elevates automotive diagnostics from guesswork to precision performance. Imagine identifying issues across all ECUs without reconnecting devices or running multiple apps. Experts highlight its intuitive interface, combining a responsive touchscreen with a physical keyboard for seamless VIN entry, module navigation, and testing efficiency. Influencers love its portability, fast boot time, and stable wireless connection, making mobile diagnostics stress-free. Industry analysts recognize its disruptive value, offering dealer-level features at a fraction of the price, empowering independent shops to rival dealership service capabilities. Users rave about FCA and SGW functionality, live data streaming, bidirectional controls, and cloud-based report sharing. One advanced DIYer commented, "It cycles components I never could test with cheaper scanners," while another emphasized the smoothness of live data graphing for intermittent faults. Beyond reading and clearing codes, the D1 Lite allows active tests, comprehensive service resets, ECU coding, and multi-protocol support, including CAN FD and DoIP, covering 150-plus brands and over 10,000 models. It offers precise actuator testing, real-time voltage readings, and vehicle-specific configurations. From professional workshops to serious DIYers, this tool enhances focus, efficiency, and confidence. Which feature would save your workflow the most? Bidirectional control, live graphing, or FCA bypass? Comment below and let the conversation begin. Act now to join technicians and DIYers who have upgraded to the OTOFIX D1 Lite, experiencing unmatched accuracy and speed in diagnostics. With wireless Bluetooth connectivity, 2 years of free updates, and extensive all-system capabilities, this tool ensures you're prepared for any vehicle challenge. Click now to access a bonus workflow tip, performing active component tests that reveal hidden faults quickly. Whether for a professional garage, mobile service, or personal projects, the D1 Lite transforms your diagnostics into a precise, efficient, and confident process.